Hi Hal, welcome to fourth video session of segmentation. Today we are going to discuss thresholding, the role of elimination, basic global thresholding and multiple choice questions. Thresholding, the range of intensity levels covered by objects of interest is different from background. G of x comma y is equal to 1 if f of x comma y is greater than t, 0 if f of x comma y is less than or equal to t. Figure A is a gray level histograms that can be partitioned by a single threshold and multiple thresholds. Image thresholding enjoys a central position in applications of image segmentation. So we can discuss techniques for partitioning images directly into regions based on intensity values and properties of these values. If we have an image f of x comma y, g of x comma y composed of high valued pixels, light objects on a dark background, then histogram of such image is given by like this as shown in the figure. We have a threshold value t at value point f of x comma y is greater than t belongs to object region, and f of x comma y less than t belongs to background region. With the help of threshold t, we can segment object region from background. We may have multimodal histogram. Such cases we define two threshold value, that is T1 and T2. Various factors are taken into consideration while deciding threshold value factors such as noise, illumination effect, reflectance, etc. Basically, T depends on T of x comma y, P of x comma y, and F of x comma y. That is pixel location, neighborhood of pixels, pixel intensity at location x comma y. So based on this, thresholding T methods classify as global thresholding, that is T f of x comma y. Decision threshold value T depends on intensity value of pixel at location x comma y or g of x comma y. Local thresholding T, T of f of x comma y, P of x comma y along with pixel intensity depends on neighborhood of pixels. So basics of global thresholding, where the intensity distributions of objects and background pixels are sufficiently distinct, it is possible to use a single threshold applicable over the entire image. So we have to follow iterative algorithm, that is select an initial estimate for the global threshold T and segment the image using T. That is g of x comma y is equal to 0 if f of x comma y is less than or equal to t, otherwise 1 if f of x comma y is greater than t. G1 consisting of all pixels with intensity values greater than t, G2 consists of pixels with intensity value less than t. Compute a average intensity values M1, M2 for pixel in G1 and G2 respectively. Compute a new threshold value T is equal to of M1 plus M2. We have to repeat these steps until the difference between values of T is successive iteration is smaller than predefined parameter delta T. So simply algorithm works well in situation where there is a reasonable clear value between modes of histogram related to objects and background. So optimum global thresholding using Vostos method. Vostos method is an attractive alternate method. The method and algorithm maximize the class variance, a well-known measure used in statistical discriminant analysis. Let 0, 1 to etc. L minus 1 denote the L distinct intensity levels in a digital image of size n m cross n pixels. Let ni denote the number of pixels with intensity high. Total number mn pixels in the image is mn is equal to n1 plus n2 etc. nl minus 1. The normalized histogram has components pi is equal to ni by mn such that summation of I is equal to 0 to l minus 1 pi is equal to 1. Pi is greater than or equal to 0. We can select the threshold t of k. K is equal to k. K is in between 0 and l minus 1. We use this threshold to threshold the input image into two classes C1 and C2, where C1 having pixels with intensity values in the range 0 to k and C2 having pixel values in the range k is equal to 1 to l minus 1. Using this threshold probability, p of k, p1 of k, that a pixel is assigned to class C1 is given by cumulatives. p1 of k is summation I is equal to 0 to k pi, and probability of class C2 occur is P2 of k is summation I is equal to k plus 1 to l minus 1. Pi is equal to 1 minus P1 of k. The mean intensity value of the pixel is assigned to class C1. And mean intensity value of the pixel assigned to class C2. Cumulative mean up to level k is given as m of k is equal to I is equal to 0 to k I pi. The average intensity of entire image, that is global mean, is given by mg is summation I is equal to 0 to l minus 1 I comma pi. In order to evaluate the goodness of the threshold at level k, we use normalized dimensionless metric. Eta is equal to sigma square b by sigma square g. Here sigma square g is the global variance. So compute the normalized histogram of input image, denote the components of the histogram, compute the cumulative terms, compute the cumulative means, compute the global intensity means, compute between class variance using the equations, obtain the Vostos method, Vostos threshold k, obtain the separability measure eta star by evaluating those equations at k is equal to k star. So we know that we can turn a simple thresholding problem into unsolvable one when noise cannot be reduced at source, and if the thresholding is the segmentation method of choice, then a technique that often enhances performance is to smooth the image prior to thresholding. So example here, you can see the noisy image and histogram of the noisy image, difficult to choose the threshold due to noise presence. Result obtained using Vostos methods for noise image. Smoothened image using 5x5 averaging mask. Histogram of the smooth image T. Result of threshold using a Vostos method. So here a generated computer reflectance function. Histograms of reflectance function. So this is the original image. Image histogram, result of global thresholding with 7 midway between maximum and minimum gray levels. This is the original image histogram, result of representation with threshold iteration. We will go for multiple choice questions. Which of the following segmentation techniques uses quadtree representation? Region growing, splitting and merging, thresholding, none of the above. The answer is splitting and merging. B. For edge detection, we combine gradient with sharpening, set theory, smoothing, thresholding. Answer is D. Thresholding. Points exceeding the threshold in output image are marked as 0, 1, 11, X. Answer is B. It is 1. So these are the references. Thank you. We will stop here.